Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Experian Boost to raise credit score, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Experian Boost and raise your credit score, begin by visiting the Experian website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Experian account. Once logged in, navigate to the Experian Boost section. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to provide your personal information for verification. Enter your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. After completing the information, click on Continue. Next, you'll need to connect your bank account. Select the bank you use from the list provided. Log into your bank account securely using your online banking credentials. Review the accounts that are connected to your bank. Choose which eligible accounts you'd like to link to Experian Boost. These accounts typically include utility and telecom payments. Review the payment history for the selected accounts. Select the payments you want to include in your credit history. Once you've made your selections, click on Continue. You will then be taken to a verification step for your payments. Make sure the payments are correct before submitting. After verification, click on Finish. Your boost will be processed. Once complete, return to your credit score dashboard. Check your credit score to see if there's been an improvement. If successful, you should see a boost in your credit score reflecting the newly added payment history. You have now successfully connected Experian Boost to help raise your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.